Hey everybody, it's time to do a little more Duolingo. Today I'm going to do a quick restore of these activities or lessons that you see are all broken up. Okay, let's start with family. La famille, I believe. The grandfather.
Le grand-père.
Le grand-père. The garden.
Le jardin.
Le jardin.
Famille.
Famille. I'm in the garden. Je suis dans le jardin.
Valise.
Valise, io.
Il. Femme.
Femme. Cheval.
Cheval.
Famille.
Famille. Do you have a pet? Tu as animal de compagnie. Compagnie. I don't know. They need to say that for me because I forgot.
Marc et son père.
Oh, let's go with Mark and his father. Marie's talking with her sister. Marie.
Marie.
Marie. Parle.
Parle.
Parle. Parle. Parle.
Avec.
Sa sœur.
Sœur. Une chouette.
Une chouette. An owl. Why that's in the family section, I don't know. Unless Duolingo considers himself part of the family. I think Duo is that owl. Mon grand-père.
Grand-père. Ma grand-mère.
Ma grand-mère.
J'ai une chouette.
J'ai une chouette. I have an owl.
C'est mon animal de compagnie. De.
This is my pet.
La famille.
La famille. Paul et sa sœur. Le jardin. Marc et son père. Yeah, it really is just about memorizing this stuff. In the end, you can try to learn the rules, and they might help, but memorization really is what does it. Your father. Ton père. The grandmother. La grande mère. That's not it. No, Chase, look what you're doing. Awesome. Always good to review. Always good to review. A 14-day streak. I don't know how I'm doing it. Restaurant. Restaurant. I keep saying restaurant when I do the Spanish things like that. When I do Spanish Duolingo, I'm like, no, it's the restaurant. Still don't know, I got it right. The waiter.
Le serveur.
Le serveur.
Salade.
Salade. A table for one person. Pain. La salade. La salade. De. École.
École.
Oh, I always do that. École, not école. Son.
Son. Pour.
Pour.
pain,
pain.
Je mange un sandwich.
Je mange un sandwich. I am eating a sandwich. Garçon,
Garçon. Salade.
salade, addition,
Addition.
il,
Jus.
jus.
je voudrais une bière,
I would like a beer. Une
bouteille,
bouteille de bière.
bière,
Bière.
Tu prends un thé?
Tu prends
Prends.
un thé?
Thé.
Oh, shit. Of course. Le pain
pain,
et le
Le.
fromage.
fromage,
Une table pour une personne. Une. Le sandwich.
Le sandwich. So I remember table is feminine because there's this skit by this. I think he's like French and Mexican. I don't know. I haven't read much about him, but there's this guy on TikTok. His first name is spelled Loic. I don't know how to say that. Loic, Lock, Loa. Anyway, but he does these skits where he's pretending. Well, basically, he's like a representative of the language, and they're trying to create a universal language. So each of them give their opinion, and universal language says, "Okay, here's what we have," and it's a table. And Spanish goes, "La tabla" or something. I don't know what it is in Spanish. I can't remember. And then French goes, "La table." Okay. And then they're like, okay, great, awesome. Or he doesn't say la, he just says table. And they say, great, awesome, next word. And French is like, no. And then universal language is like, no French, you don't have to do this. We talked about this. Everything doesn't need a gender. He's like, no, it needs a gender. And he goes over and he like hugs the table, and he says something along the lines of, hello, monsieur. And then he sits there and he looks at it for a second. He's like, no, that doesn't work. And then he's like, bonjour, madame. And he's like, yes, this works. So that's how I remember table is feminine. Le serveur est français.
Tu prends un café?
Tu prends un café? Tu prends un café? Une bouteille. Le serveur.
Tu veux une bière?
Tu veux une bière? Bière. Le thé.
Tu prends un thé? Prends. Thé.
And we did it. All right, all ready to go. There it is. Activity 2. Dear Lord, didn't I just do this? This is going to be a good one. To study.
étudier,
Étudier. Oh no, I think I just did activity in Spanish. I have to study. Je dois étudier. Marcher.
Marche.
That, it means something else though, because I remember I was reading something the other day and it did not mean walk. Do you draw? Dessiner. I feel like that's like, do you design? Vous dessinez. Yeah. Draw, same thing. Avion.
Avion.
Mer.
Mer.
Marcher.
marcher,
Afrique.
Afrique,
Il y a.
Il y a.
Elle chante souvent.
She sings often. We are visiting France. Nous
visitons
la France.
France.
Elle chante.
She's singing. She's singing. She's singing, girl. We are visiting Bordeaux. Nous
Visitons.
Bordeaux.
Bordeaux.
Where's Okay, don't need an ah or a
Il
la or
chante bien.
anything. He sings well. We are visiting New York. Nous visitons
Visitons.
New York.
York. Ils étudient l'anglais.
Ils étudient
Étudie.
l'anglais.
Anglais.
Ils marchent beaucoup. Hold on, I want to see.
Il marche beaucoup. Il marche beaucoup.
That's it, okay.
Il écoute.
Il écoute.
Écoute.
He's listening.
Vous dessinez bien.
Vous dessinez bien. You know I got that right. I said dessiner. Tous les jours, je marchais
Marche.
avec mon chien. Il écoutait cette musique.
Tu marches souvent.
Tu marches souvent. What? Oh, okay, you're gonna get that one thing wrong, Chase? You walk every day. Tu marches toujours? Let's go with it. Tous les jours.
Tu marches souvent.
I promise you guys I'm gonna get it. Yes. Two. Another two marsh. Tous les jours. Come on, man. Get it. I need you to correct it correctly, corrector. That's a sentence right there. Tu marches Hallelujah. And I think that about wraps it up for today. I have to do a quick one. I went for a jog before I started this, so now I got to shower and eat and then start work. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you learned something, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.